So let's get ready for some exercise that you have to do along with me. The first one, and these exercises have to be done regularly, not before exam. Whenever you're sitting to write or even otherwise, because kids' nervous system is slowing down because of lack of exercise. Okay? So, spider on the mirror, finger independent strength. Place fingertips of both hands together, thumb to thumb, index to index. Can you all do it, please? Flatten palms forward, each while keeping their fingertips touching. So all you have to do is this. Thumb to thumb, finger to finger. Press. Very important for all of us today, not only them, especially those who don't work with their hands much. Very important this. And then bring it close. Press. Each of the muscles of both your arms will get enough blood circulation when you do this. Again go back. And again press. 3 times. A must. Especially those who work like me on system. This is superb brain-hand coordination exercise. It's called loop. Take a pencil or do it with a finger initially, hand loop. Then you do it on the paper. Have the paper and ask the child to do this loop. This improves the brain-hand coordination. It improves your thinking ability. It brings in creativity. It brings in flexibility of the hand movement. Next is warm-up techniques for rapid flip fast. That is, extend arms forward, make tight fist, then flick the fingers open like this. I'd love if all of you do it with me. Yeah, this. Very important. Blood circulation exceeds, writing will 100% improve. Very, very important. Unfortunately, we are moving very less. I mean, even the kids, very less movements we see in their life. Second is pen whirl. Pen whirl is take a pen and run it like this. This is one method where your palm rubs, blood circulation increases, brain activates. The second is like this. Put the pen between the two, the index finger and the middle finger, and then try to move your finger up down. It's very difficult. That means you have to move the pen up down. Okay. Then there's another exercise where you hold the pen like this, like you hold it to write. Take it back towards you. So when you do this, what are you experiencing? No, let your shoulder be at a standard length. Keep this straight and just turn it like this. What do you experience? You'll get the stretch here and on your shoulder. This exercise for writing. So consider all this as fun activity with children. You will find them doing it regularly.